Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert Wix website to WordPress. Let's get started. So as of right now, you'll be able to see in here my Wix website that I have created. So if you don't have a site yet, just create your site. So if you already have a site just like mine, you'll be able to actually just use this site in order to integrate it to WordPress. So on the another tab, I have here my WordPress already open. So what I can do is I need to work back to my Wix, and then from in there, I will just need to head over and then get my actual link for my website. So for example, let's first try to publish it. And then when we publish this specific website, then we can click on this link right here, or you can also just click on this view site and then just copy the URL for your website. Once you have done that, you should be able to see in here your actual WordPress. Now scroll down. In here, you can see the tools under that, the import. So click on import right here. And then I want to import content from, and then just choose Wix from the full list. So click on Wix right here and then enter the URL of the Wix site. Click on continue. Then after we have done that, it will actually load in order to integrate our actual Wix website from this specific WordPress. So as you can see, it will first ask if this is our website. So click on yes, start to import. And then this will import the posts, pages, and media from the Wix site that we have on our actual WordPress right here. So this right here will take around minutes in order to successfully import this specific content. Now, once you're done importing it, you should be able to see it on your WordPress. As you can see, there's a lot of loading that's left in here. So just wait for your specific website to finish loading. So let me just fasten or speed up this specific process. So now it is done importing our store, and in here you can see my website, which is our store, as well as the text that they have in here. So actually, this is really not that compatible, but you can actually still edit this site in order to adjust this to your needs. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to actually import your Wix website into an actual WordPress. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people.